unbeatable CD, mga kapamilya, Jen Madela, of course, Angeline Quinto. That song was just small part of Ina, Kapatid, Anak, the official soundtrack, all the beautiful love songs, all on one CD.
Yes po mga kapamilya, may single po ako sa album na to, Ang Ikaw Lamang. At may iba pa pong mga songs tulad ng Ngayon at Kailanman by Ariel Rivera, Ikaw by Eric Santos, Kailan by Brian Carlo, Kung Kiss Sa Iyo by Sian Lim, at syempre lahat po yan ay Understar Records. Kaya sana po makakuha kayo ng kopya. Murang-mura po. Thank you
That's
po.
right. All right. And now, another vocal showcase, singing his newest single. Ladies and gentlemen, the Prince of Pop,